what you guys are feeling and if you guys are understanding or not understanding. Okay, so it's very important that I see this feedback from you to know, okay, I'm going too fast, I'm going too slow, what do I do? Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for thing up. Okay, uh,
I
yes,
just want to add, like, even this is completely automated, right? Like, if you just run it in the live markets, all the buy sell signal is going to just pop up on your phone, right? You can always have access to your buy sell signals. So that is how powerful is that. That is the
yes,
end goal, right? When to buy, when to sell in proper emotion, less structured, quantified manner. So that is how powerful it is, right?
yeah,
And
and
I think Pratik is not still not done.
I'm not done, but don't get scared. Okay, don't get scared. I mean, some of you may feel that, oh, Pratik, that's a lot of things you're sharing. Like Rahul ne itna sara cheeze diya. Rahul has given us so much, and you have been sharing like bam, 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 one after the other. Ek khatam nahi hone se pehle, I'm giving you one more thing, right? The point is that I am trying to give you as much value as possible for the time that you guys are here. Okay, all of it, whatever I have done. Okay, whatever I have done, have I done anything that is like too complicated in terms of asking you to code, writing a code? It has all been like copy paste, and some things, if you get the notes, you will be able to do it, right? If you get the notes of whatever I have steps and all of that, you shall be able to do it. I have not done anything that you can't go back and do. Yes? Okay? It's absolutely fine. Okay? But the next pain point, what's the next pain point? Okay? The next pain point is Pratik. Uh, all of this is fine, but even let's say I have this strategy, I have all of this, I still find it very difficult to automate. Yes, 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 yes. I have SP Burlaji has just mentioned it. Ki how do I execute orders? Ki my broker is there, the signal is generated using certain strategies. How do I take those signals and execute orders in the market? Can I get a yes if you have the same question regarding this? Yes, yes. Forward testing possible. I will come to that. I am going to answer all your questions. Yes. Okay, same questions. Okay. So, my next question to you is before I answer this question is how would it be if there was a platform that where you can completely automate your entire trading journey by as simple as switching on a TV. So imagine morning, switch on the TV, click one button, start, and the strategy will trade automatically. You can go for your meetings, your train journey, you can go fly, you can go take a holiday, you can go to the moon, you can do whatever you want to do, but you just have to press that one button in the morning and the trading will happen. Possible, not possible, unrealistic, realistic. Yes, Muniji, Bhim ji, Shailesh, Mrinal, Matthew, Siddharth, possible, possible, unrealistic, okay, unbelievable, okay, no worries, okay. I will show you, okay. So I will show you this, how the possibilities and where we are in terms of technology and where the smart birds are compared to where the old pigeons are, okay. So let me just give you a thing. So I'm just going to give you guys a showcase of a platform called Bulls AI. It's India's first AI-driven algo trading platform. You guys want to see what this thing entails? I can give you a run through of how using a platform you can connect your broker without writing a single line of code. Algo trading, basically. Okay, so the platform is called Bulls AI. Okay, now this platform has multiple features. Okay, so I'm just going to see if I can need to just log in. I'll maybe log out and then log in again. Okay, just for the sake of it. Okay, so what we are going to do is this platform has developed by us has some inbuilt strategies. Okay, inbuilt strategies that you can just, let's say I want to trade the strategy. I go click on add to my portfolio. It goes to my portfolio here. Let's say here, and then I click on the start button in the morning. I can backtest this strategy. Number one, everyone by now knows backtest. Everyone by now knows backtest क्या है. correct? I have explained to you what backtesting is, testing a strategy. So you have a strategy, you want to test historically, has it done well? One, paper trade. Why? How many of you don't know what paper trading is? Don't know paper trading. Okay, paper trading essentially means forward trading. Matlab, how I want to trade without putting my real money. I am trading with virtual money. How interesting would it be? How amazing would it be if you can test a strategy in the live market? Okay, what is happening today? Let's say Monday the market opens, you try a strategy, paper trade with it, but you're trading it without putting your real money. You're trading it on virtual money. Would you not get confidence on that strategy? Whether to actually use it. So backtest is one, great. Then next step is paper trading. Once you are confident with paper trading, then you can come to live trading, and then you can live trade. Of course, today is a holiday and hence you can't live trade or trade. But on any particular day, you can go and live trade the strategy, click, and the trading will happen automatically. How difficult was this? Any strategy, add to portfolio, click start, backtest, or paper trade, or live trade, and you're good to go. Have you guys seen anything as like simple as like this without having to do any kind of thing? Amazing, superb. So then it gives you a how much, which strategy has made how much money, and all of that also. Okay. Now you can also do more things. The next thing is you can also, let's say you have a broker. Okay, you go to your broking details. Okay, you can go and one click log into your broker, and now your broker will be connected to the platform and you are good to go. So you don't have to do any jhamela, any problem of connecting broker, this, that. If your broker provides API and if the platform is been integrated with that broker, that will work. Okay, so right now it's Alice Blue and Fires, and we will figure something out. Now, the most interesting thing is Pratik, यहाँ पे AI कहाँ पे है? What is AI? यहाँ पे where is AI? Okay, we have something called Phoenix Copilot. Okay, we have something called Phoenix Copilot. इसका wait for it. Okay, now you can have any strategy. You can type any strategy. Okay, so create a trading strategy. Okay, so I'll just type it. Okay, create a trading strategy which buys when um, RSI goes below 30 and sells when RSI goes above 70. Okay, just simple. Okay, any strategy, anything that you have, you can just type it, you can run it, and this platform will make this code for you. So let me just see. Yeah, okay. So can you see the code is written automatically based on what you have just said? All the logic is given here. You can take this logic once it is done, and then you can backtest this strategy. You can paper trade with this strategy. You can live trade this strategy custom on any stock that you want to do. On any stock that you want to do. Let's say I want to do it on DLF. I want to backtest it. 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. I can completely backtest it. Not all. I'm just going to show you some examples of backtesting. So let's say here I have run a intraday strategy on SBI. It's an intraday trading strategy which buys when 9 EMA goes over 18 EMA. Okay, and sell when 9 EMA goes below. So I have backtested it. Once you backtest it, you will see the results for this. Okay, you will see the results for this. How much profit, how much loss, what's your average loss, what's your average profit, how many profitable trades, how many loss making trades, all of this, each stock, how much profit, how much loss. Are you seeing the where we are currently right now? Are you seeing where we are currently right now compared to everything else? You are able to type in words what you want. From there, a strategy is being built. You can now backtest that strategy. If you like it, you can change, play it around with it. You can then paper trade with it. And if you think it's profitable, you can live trade with it. Mind blown? Mind blown, guys. Trading looks possible with job now. Can it get any easier than this? Can it get any easier than this for even for people who have no knowledge about the markets? You can create any strategies, anything you want to do, and more importantly, confidently, because you are testing it. You are not going there blindly. You are not dependent on any Telegram group, YouTube, or anything else. Have I been able to prove? Hence, hence, have I been able to prove to you guys that the endless possibilities of AI driven investing and trading? You use any strategy, Camellia, this, that, whatever you want to use till now, what Rahul has showed you for investing, all of these things, okay, what I have showed you for trading, all the things, tools that I'm going to give you. Do you think that what you came in thinking that kya hi hoga, matlab what's going to happen with AI? They will do here and there, a bit here and there, they will show. But currently, you're completely mind blown by the endless possibilities, and we are just showing you all of little bit of each. You know that I'm not going to the depths of everything because there's so much to show. Because but I want to show you so much. You can create a strategy on your own. Mind blown. Yes, yes. Super, super, super. Okay. So you see that when I show someone like this, when someone said, ki, what does your life look like? I say something like this. Okay, this thing, it can be based on um, like a robot working for you. Okay, but the point is that it is possible. How many of you think that this could be you? Like if you master all of the skills, of course it'll take a little bit of knowledge and information to master all of this. But if you can master all of these skills together, you will be able to be in a situation where you have all of this time. Yes, yeah, yes, I changed. Yeah, I'm hoping. Now, there are also, by the way, I forgot to show you, there are people who also might know how to code. Okay, so here we also have, for people who know how to code, you can code your strategies from scratch. So you can code in the platform your strategies from scratch. You don't have to be dependent on anyone. So you can use AI to code, you can code by yourself, or you can use ready-made templates. Whether you are a beginner or advanced, are you seeing all of this? That it's completely possible. So I truly believe this truly could be, what's the point of making all of that money if you can't enjoy life, right? Let's say you're working from morning till night, you're trading. Some people, what they do, they leave their job and they start trading, and they're sitting in front of the screen the whole day. So you might as well have done your job, right? That's more secure. How many of you think that what I'm saying makes sense? At the end of the day, what is important is time and how money works for you. If you leave your job and come to trading and then sit in front of the computer and say, I'm independent, you are not. You're essentially sitting in front of the computer. You don't have a boss, but you still have to make money. And that's a lot of pressure. I am saying do not need to leave your job. You can continue your job and alongside it, let the money work for you. Isn't that a better proposition than just forgetting about everything, giving your time to it? So, there is this saying where Warren Buffett said it a few in the 90s. He said, we don't have to be smarter than the rest, we have to be more disciplined than the rest. Correct, na, everyone? He's not wrong. He's not wrong when he says this, that we don't have to be smarter than the rest, we have to be more disciplined than the rest. But this he said in the 90s. Now, I'm not saying he's wrong. When he said this, he's correct. But does it apply to us right now? I think we can make a bit of modification. Okay. What I and Rahul, and I agree with him, I just want to add something to what he said is not only that, with AI powered analysis, insights, and automation, not only can we be more disciplined, but we can be also smarter than the rest. How many of you already feel that you have more information and knowledge than what you had a few hours back when you joined? And when you go out of this session, you are going to have information which 95 other people don't have. Agreed? Discipline to आना है, and with those insights, very simple, very not complicated, you are able to get better. Now, today is a Sunday. Ideally, I would have loved to show you how trades get executed in the market, right? So what I have done is I have taken a little snippet of a video recording of how it looks like when the orders are getting executed. Do you guys want to see example of how algo trading looks like, how orders get executed, and how it will look like? Let's say you have started algo trading, it's in your phone, and how it would look like. Yeah, okay, okay. So I'm just gonna, it's a small snippet. You're gonna hear ding noises, okay, ding, ding, ding. Okay, so this ding noises are basically orders getting executed. Okay, yeah, okay. How many of you think that you can execute orders at that speed? By the way, manually, can you buy and sell at that speed? Is it humanly possible for you to do that? Absolutely not possible, right? So if there's something which is entering faster than me, exiting faster than me, am I already not ahead of like 10 different people? By the time they think I am in and out, isn't it? By the time they think also, key, what do I do? The market is coming down. The algo can automatically go sell, and then before that person does anything, it will buy it back and make a income out of it. So just imagine a situation where you are wake up in the morning, you start your thing, you're having your breakfast, you're going for your office, and your phone is just executing through your phone. You're executing orders automatically. Yeah. So of course, there are safety regulations, all of that. I mean, you guys may have seen recently also, right? Regulation of SEBI, where SEBI is saying that we want to encourage people to come into algo trading because there are people who are losing more amount of money manual trading following random information than algo trading. Of course, they're going to do it through registered vendors like Bullseye, where we are registering with SEBI to be able to provide that complete secure platform. Okay, so that is something. Of course, the point is it is happening. Are you going to be some of the first people to take it, or are you going to be like the old pigeons? Once everyone is there, you think of it. Okay, that's why I shared this story in the beginning. Very, very important. Okay, applicable. Very, very. Rahul, you want to share something?
No, no, I'm just saying, like everything, you just see the speed at what is happening, right? But the speed at what is happening in the background is much